Okay guys, a lot of people told me this side is more harder. Check out this baby. I want to show you guys sometimes you have to modify things, okay? A lot of people talk nonsense, but that's fine. But check this out. You're gonna just give it you're gonna make a pathway here, okay? That's what you're gonna do here. That's all you're gonna do here. That's it. Small little pathway so you can get to that shirt. To remove all this fender line and everything, you are gonna end up breaking more than what you're about to do right here and right now. Okay, so I'm gonna get my wire brush. Most likely that bolt right there is gonna snap, the head is gonna snap, but this is what it is. I'm gonna create myself a little bit more space, and that's it. Okay, this is fine. Okay, and if you want to go the other route, it's all up to you. Okay, but this is fine to do. Just speak to your customer, speak to yourself if you're the owner. Let's get this job going. Okay, so what you want to do is you want to take a wire brush. Let me go get this stuff. Okay, most likely what's gonna happen here is the head is gonna break like for the opposite side, and we are gonna get it off though. I'm not gonna show you guys the whole job. I'll put my floor jack down here so I can give it support. This is an 18 millimeter. I do have the opposite side on the Jeep Wrangler Polar. It's a 2014 model. This is Jeep Wrangler Sahara, same bad boy, same setup. Anyways, take your wire brush if you can reach in there, which I can't do, so small little wire brush. But anyways, throw some WD-40 on it, let it sit for a while. It's time for us to give it a time and then come back to it. So our lighting gonna be stupid because there's nowhere to attach this light to, but we'll just leave it right here. You guys can see right there's the head. So we got ourselves a 16 millimeter gear wrench. It goes right from the top and it goes right on it. Got it the wrong way. Flip it over because we're going counterclockwise here. Okay, there you go. You see the whole thing is spinning? Magic. Take your 17 millimeter wrench, put it on this little guy, and what we're gonna do is make sure you got your floor jack in the bottom like I showed you guys. Anyways, time to turn this baby just like that, and most likely either the bolt is gonna come off. This look like it's gonna come off. Oh yeah, it's free playing, but keep turning this baby till it breaks. Eventually it's gonna get jammed and snap off, and that's exactly what we want here. Either snap off or snap on. Yeah. Yeah, baby. Oh, you guys want to see this shit snap? I'm gonna snap this boy. Oh, this is what everybody wanted to see. This guy, they said I didn't show the other side, so I'm showing the other side, the dark side of the Jeep. The dark side, guys. I'm gonna have to get up. Whoa, there goes my light. There goes my light. Come back, light. Oh, I felt this snap. I felt something snap. Yup. I felt the snap and I held it there. That's what we wanted. Okay. Come on, guys. Let's bring this baby home. There you go. Shit snapped. Perfect. That's what I wanted. Like I told you guys, we need to grab the top, but we'd rather let the shot go down. So I'm gonna remove the bottom bolt and then we'll continue. Okay guys, it's dark down here. It's all good. It is dark. It's all plastic. Can't put this thing anywhere. Anywhere I put, it disturbs the camera. Anyways, got myself an 18 millimeter that fits on this. I'm gonna put my impact gun on, and I'm gonna use my adjustable wrench to grab the back end. Okay, it moved. Let's tighten it up. There you go. Once you get this baby off, the nut is off here. We should be able to bring this shock down. And you don't want to tap on this, you will damage the thread. So put your nut on Put the nut on. And then give it a shot. There you go. Take this baby off. It might have a load on it, so let's go down with our floor jack a bit. Okay, it had no load on it. Now I got a load, different type of load. So we're gonna go up a bit. Okay, so if that doesn't work, what you wanna do is you wanna take your impact gun from the back end and release this baby. Okay, what's going on? It doesn't wanna release itself. It doesn't wanna release. So I'm gonna go a little bit more. You know what? Let me jack up a bit more. Maybe that will help. There you go. Yep, that helped. That kind of helped. But I'm gonna just impact it all the way out. There you go. And the bolt falls to the ground. This baby should come out. It should come out of the housing. It should be easy for us. Take the top off. Let's bring the light up. Let's bring the light up. I don't know if this is better. So, okay, once you do that, you should be able to grab the top stuff. Don't let it fall like I did, like an idiot. So I'm gonna have to fish that out somewhere. One back here somewhere. There it is. There's the top piece. That's out. Time for us to move on. Okay, now it's gonna be different sets of tools. Totally different. So let's aim our camera from down here. There's no other angle I can capture. So I'm gonna just cut this off. This is no help to me. Usually I will release it and it will go in, but we got one of these. It's oval that way. We got one of these. Okay. We are gonna put it this way. You know what? Let's put it this way. Yep. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna put this baby in. With the other hand, I am gonna slowly guide these two pieces in. That's what I'm gonna do. So you don't want to lose no control here, okay? You don't want to lose no control, and you do not want to lose these pieces. They are thick. They are thick, but that's fine. So you take one, put one right on the spot, and then take your big fat washer. Just guide everything where it belongs. Have your nut for the top ready. This is the little guy. Have this ready. So we still gotta guide it, okay? We gotta guide it. Everything's gotta be guided in. Don't worry about the bottom. That'd be the last step. Okay. Okay, there you go. I got it in. Yep. Little bit more pressure maybe because the rubber boot is not allowing it for me to push all the way in. There you go. I should be able to grab a couple of threads. You just gotta have to bust your butt a little bit here. There you go. Once you grab the threads, you should be able to let it go. Pull it down. It's not gonna come down. Now, change of a tool. 15 millimeter. 15 millimeter. That's what's on it now. So we're gonna try to capture it with this little guy right here. And then I need my other 15, so I went and got a long leverage 15. So a trick: if you turn this baby, you don't need to turn on the top yet until you get it to a point where there's a lot of pressure. It's spinning with it, and you're doing both if you like. And at the end, once it's super tight, what's gonna happen here is this is gonna start to spin, so you're gonna have to grab that little guy. Don't worry about the bottom. Like I said, it's like twice I said that already. Do not worry about the bottom. Bottom can be done any moment, anytime. So I'm not gonna push the video all the way in the bottom. You just reverse procedure it. Make sure you have enough space so your wrench comes out. Like me, you see this plastic moves, so you can move it around, but I don't want to go any further. Now I will use this open-ended wrench to give it some turns till it's completed and done. Okay, nice and tight. It's gonna take you time, but you should be able to do it. But that plastic rubber, the thick stuff just moves, so just don't put a hole through it. And over here, I wouldn't recommend you guys using heat unless you had a mini ductor like I have, because there's so much stuff around it, you will damage it. So we're gonna get back to that. I'm gonna get back to that, but you guys got the point. But let's move on to the bottom here. So we can finish at the bottom, and you guys can see that I did do the bottom before anybody say anything else to me. Anyways, it's not lined, so I need to pump the jack a bit. There you go. Perfect. There it is. Okay, moved. It moved. There you go. One little thing I want to tell you guys is, let me go get it. It is very notorious for this bolt to come loose, okay? So what I use here is a red thread lock. You could use blue if you like. Put some of that on it and tighten up the bolt, okay? Because I've done so many of these. Eventually, down the road, it will come loose. So, and then you will have rattling. Anyways, put the nut on. Put open-ended wrench in the back and your impact gun. You're all done. Bada bing, bada boom. Anyway, guys, the top I still gotta finish out. Make sure you tighten it to the end. Same thing here. Okay, my wrench opens up. With the impact, it just opens. Come on. Nice and tight, baby. Alright, guys. Thank you for watching this video. Hopefully I helped you guys out here and we installed this baby nice and good. So anyways, that's how you're gonna do the shocks on these Jeep Sahara or any Wrangler. There it is. Okay, there's a broken little guy, so there's a new strut. Anyways, thank you.